Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to earn $100 to $400 per name. What you're going to be doing is making money online typing names, guys, okay? This is going to be very fun and pretty easy. So let me get started right now. Before I get started, I just want to mention that this method, you may not earn consistently all the time. So if you want to earn something that is more of a full-time online income, you may want to check out this link over here. This is how I make passive online income, and this is the Make Big Money link. Okay, guys, just want to mention that before I get started since you're on my YouTube channel. All right, so what I want to show you is this, okay? This is squathelp.com. So actually, this video is going to be only concentrated on one aspect of this website. And another video that I'm going to be making right after this is going to be another portion of this website. So in this video, I'm going to concentrate on contests right now. All right, and I'm going to show you how you can use this site to earn $100 to $400 per name that you will be submitting to this site. So what is this site? This site is where new entrepreneurs, new business owners who don't know how to name their business come to this site to get help. So what they do is that they'll put on a contest and have people like you and me submit names for them to choose from. Okay, so this could be really fun, and actually it could be very easy because I'm going to show you a free tool to do this. So you don't even have to think for this method, okay? You don't even have to think and use your own imagination and creativity to do this, because I'm going to give you a free tool that will help you do it just like that. So a new entrepreneur will come to Squat Help and actually create one of these contests, okay? So what they do is they say, hey, you know, I'm thinking of building a business for this topic or for this business, but I don't know a name. So you need to submit names for this kind of business, and they'll give you kind of criteria, what kind of name, maybe a certain mood they're looking for, or how many words or how many characters that they want in the name, and so forth. So they're going to have certain criteria, and then you just follow the criteria, and then you submit business names that could be potentially picked as the winner. And if you win, you will get the prize of winning either anywhere from 150 to like and up, basically. Okay, that's how much you can make with the site. So let me just go to so you go to contests, and then you go browse, and then you go active contests. And if you do that, you could go to this site where there are right now, look, telling you these are the active ones and these are the pending winner selection. So these ones are the ones that you can, that are still open and you can submit entries to. And look, you can see what the status is. And look at this one, currently paused. So you probably can't touch this one yet, but you can, there's anyone that has, you know, how many days left and whatnot. And look at all the entries, guys, okay? So let me just go and check one of these out for you. So let's say we're looking for names, okay? Business names, okay? So right here, name for a management consulting company, okay? And there's a tagline. You can do taglines for a consulting company as well. And a name for a payment related business. So this is like a payment processing type of business. And then there's a name for sports brand that personifies elite quality. Okay, so this is the type of things that I'm telling you. So they want like a brand that is luxury or something like that for sports. Okay, and then here is looking for a name for my business coaching business. So the free tool I was going to show you is this. So let's look at this coaching business. So the free tool that I'm showing you is called businessnamegenerator.com. Okay, so you could come here and kind of put in some words about the business, and then it's going to generate you a bunch of different names. See, you don't even have to come up with your own names with this. So a coaching business, so you could just do coaching and see what it generates. And if you click this to be on, then you can see if there's domains available on GoDaddy with it, and that's going to be even better if you actually can get a domain with the name, right? So you go and generate, and then it's just gonna spit out a bunch of names. Look at this, coaching. So you can actually even filter even more coaching for what, right? So it could be coaching in photography, let's say, or different things. So if you know more about the company, then you could kind of select different industries that it can fall into. And then you could kind of pick better filters. You could filter the results because you have 1,000 names to go through right here. And so, I mean, if you can't submit one of these, I mean, how many, I don't know how many you can submit actually. I'm not sure how many choices you can submit, but you have over 1,000 names here already that you can kind of check out. And yes, you can even modify it more to your own liking. If you see something you like, Coach Jet, Coach Hut. So see how this, sometimes it's just one name, one word, or 2 words. And that's why I'm saying, like, when you win a contest like this, you win $300, $250. So if you have one word, I mean, that is worth literally $300 per word, right? And 400. I mean, this one's asking for 400. So these are your prizes right here with the little diamond. You see all the different prize money here. And then you can also see how many people have been winning. If you go back to the front page here, you go contest browse and you go recent winners, you can see how much people have been winning. And you can see 300, 300, 100, and it's like up to date, you know. These are like almost every day they're announcing winners here. See, 18th, in January, look at all the people that are winning these awards. And it's like, and you know, you could just keep going down and just keep looking at all the winners. There's so many winners. And then you could come up here and look at the leaderboard and see how much people have been making money. Look at this person right here. This person has made $59,000 from this website, guys. Okay. And last month alone, this person won 7. So the more experience that you have with the site, the more invitations you're going to get, and then the more money you're going to earn. So it's like a cumulative effect, okay? So when you're starting out in the beginning, don't give up. Keep submitting, keep working at it, because you could get to a point that can generate you significant amount of money, as you can see here, okay? This is just the first 5 people. If you keep going, look, people are making thousands of dollars here. Now, I'm not sure how long they've been doing this to generate all this income on the site. I think this person, if you look at their profile, they've been here since almost 2 years, okay? So, I mean, this person is obviously active. If this person has won this many awards, I mean, this person has taken this one very seriously, okay? And that's how she's been able to rank, or she's been able to make so much money with the site, okay? All right, guys, so this is just one way for you to make money with the site, but there's actually another way that I'm going to show you with another video, because it's going to be way too long for YouTube if I keep going with this video. So I'm going to do another video that's going to give you more ways, even bigger money to earn with this site, and how those people are making thousands and thousands of dollars, okay? So stay tuned for that for that other video, which is going to be either linked to this video up here, or you'll see it at the end. So if you like this kind of work, then you can definitely concentrate on this and make this a full-time thing. So if you don't want to do that though, and you want to do something more like a business model that can create some passive online income for you, you can definitely check out the link right here in this video or in the video description, and you can learn a business model, an online business model that can earn you a full-time online income with this method. And this is a business model I use myself. So, okay, so check this out, and I hope to see you on the inside, on the other side of that, okay? And so I hope you like this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out, okay, guys? I hope I see you on the next video. Okay, bye.